Hello, this is Farah Gomaa from Doha News, and today I am at one of Doha's Woqod petrol stations to try out their newest car sanitation technology in cooperation with Sanitech Solutions.
The laboratory from Bactakleen created ultra mist solution and the system to deliver disinfection inside the car via the AC. There was a big need of how to solve the problem of sick car syndrome. That is all whatever virus, bacteria, fungi, spores or mold that can grow inside the AC. So it will kill all the bacteria and the virus that can be catch inside. And while it is actually cleaning every inch of the interior of the car. Correct, because coronavirus and it prevents the SARS and common influenza and H1N1 to spread. Actually, we have just received a laboratory test that approves the killing of coronavirus, human coronavirus, with ultramist. Yeah.
This service is available at a lot of Woqod petrol station branches, and the price varies depending on the size of your car. So if you're a small car, it will probably be 50 riyals, and if you're a bigger car, it will be 60 riyals. And yeah, I really enjoyed the experience.